Hi, Phil Cheatham, the 3D guy here, and I'm going to talk to you about a specific portion of the kinematic sequence which shows us the lead arm and the club shaft itself. Just to remind you, along the vertical axis we've got turning or swinging speed. In this case it's swinging speed. And along the horizontal axis we've got time through the swing. The first portion shows us backswing, the next portion shows us downswing, and the final portion shows us follow through. When the curve is negative, below zero, that means we're in the backswing. When it crosses over that zero line, that means we've transitioned and we've gone into the downswing, where we see the acceleration and the deceleration. The blue curve is the lead arm, swinging speed in degrees per second. The yellow curve is the shaft swinging speed in the swing plane, and that's also in degrees per second. So if we look at the transition area right here, we see that the blue curve, or the lead arm, transitions before the club does. So we would call that downswing loading or float loading. The wrist angle would actually be decreasing and loading the wrist and allowing it to release a little bit more rapidly. Now, as we progress into the downswing, we see that the blue curve, which is the lead arm again, is on top of or higher than the yellow curve. That means it's going faster. So if it's going faster, that means it's actually, the arm is going faster than the club. That means that the club or the wrist angle is actually loading. That's a good thing. So then we see the yellow curve taking off. That means we've released the club, and the action back on the lead upper arm is to decelerate it and cause it to slow down. So this is the release going on here, and we want to see that sequentially into a maximum speed for the club shaft peaking at impact. And that is the lead arm and club portion of the kinematic sequence.